Hey shoppers, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, turnagemotorco.com. Well folks, thanks for looking at our cars. Today I'm proud to show you another Prius. I'm a fan of these cars, have been for a decade or more, and this is just another really clean example. This is a 2011 Toyota Prius with 187,000 miles on it. Excellent tires, fully serviced now at our shop, Turnage Auto Care, where we take care of primarily hybrids, Toyota hybrids that is, and this one runs great. Getting great gas mileage, really good paint all the way around, just a few blemishes. Be sure to check out our website and you'll see up close details of any of the significant little dents and dings that I can find. This car is clean though, all the way around. It's in really good shape. The worst thing to show you on the outside, really, I'll just zoom in on that, is where this hood misaligns. I'm not sure if it was popped a little bit over here, which caused a misalignment. This gap isn't too bad, but I'm not sure what happened. And you can see a few other scuffs like right there on the bumper and a small dent on the fender. And that's not all, but I would say that's the main thing. The inside is in really good shape. No foul odors. Super clean. Whoops, key not detected. There we go. And 187,585 on the miles. Got your owner's manual in there. Lots of storage and places to put things. Your controls here for the temperature and your trip meter and display up there, as well as your volume controls for your radio and such. This one does have all your side curtain airbags, front airbags. Headliner is clean, dash is perfect, door panels are perfect, the carpets are great. I do have a set of floor mats to go in it. Back seats look like new. I'm gonna have to cut my video short because it's raining on me. But as with all these hatchbacks, lots of space in the back. The seats lay down, the cargo cover comes out of the way, and you've got lots of room. And there's another deep area right there to put more things. So folks, if you're looking for an awesome, reliable, fuel efficient Toyota, please call me 803-853-4300, turnagemotorco.com. Thanks for watching.